Hi friends, would you like to ace the Red Hat Certified Engineer exam? Using my latest book, you can do it. And ultimately, you're gonna enhance your career in tech. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the most important operating system that you're gonna encounter in your career. So every DevOps engineer should master, understand the basic, how to download it, manage the day-to-day operation, like updating the software, managing also some corner case, and be able to find information in the log file, being able to use SELinux and all the security protocols that are up to date in the industry nowadays. There is also a mention of how to ace with a Red Hat Enterprise Linux AI, because we all want to master this wonderful platform. All the examples include all the important commands with the syntax and all the parameters that will be relevant for you in your day-to-day job. Plus, the code integrates the latest Red Hat automation technology based on Ansible, the open source IT configuration system. So using this book, you will be able to manage your fleet and ultimately enhance your career and get the degree. I can't wait to hear your success stories, guys. This book is not only theory, there is plenty of examples, plenty of code, and I'm super proud of that because it integrates also the latest container technology using Podman, and there are so many things distilled inside of here. I saw other books in the market, but this one is the best because it integrates the latest technology, and I think that will be a great cornerstone in your library. It's available worldwide in all your favorite bookshops today, in a physical copy as well also for your digital readers. Let's automate more. Bye.